Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the account and the place. This saves time later. First, verify your account per Roblox rules so voice features unlock. Next, in settings, open privacy and toggle voice chat on. Make sure microphone access is allowed by your OS. Once done, launch Roblox Studio and open the game place you want voice in. You're now positioned to change experience settings and add the voice service, so proceed to the next technical steps. Now you configure the place-level voice behavior. In Studio, go to Home Game Settings Experience and enable spatial voice or voice chat. This determines range and quality. Then set proximity distance and attenuation so voices blend naturally, short range for local chat, larger for town or lobbies. Next, add or update server scripts to require voice consent and to toggle mute/unmute. This lets you enforce rules. Make sure to test in play mode with multiple clients, so you can verify behavior before publishing. Finish by publishing and testing the live experience. Publish your place and join with 2 or more accounts on separate devices to confirm voice connects and spatialization works. If you hit problems, first check client mic permissions and OS privacy settings, then confirm Roblox voice is still enabled in each account. Also verify network conditions. NAT or strict firewalls can block voice. If needed, review experience settings and server logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.